Maths for 8th standard ICSE syllabus. So in Swiflearn, we will be having 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every one, okay, where the maximum batch size will be 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor team will be allotted to track and work on the student progress. We cover syllabus as per as the school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requirements. So yes, in our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report which is sent to you monthly. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and this practice test will be in subjective and as well as objective in nature. So yes guys, if you not have booked a free trial, book a free trial class today. Yes, students, those are new for to the stream, subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Yes, so today's topic of discussion is exponents and power. Okay, power से मुझे एक स्पाइडरमैन का डायलॉग याद आया है. So with the great power comes great responsibility. So I hope you all students, the young generation of India, okay, are equally responsible towards the COVID-19. Okay, stay home, stay safe, and learn through the online medium. Yes, so let us start our today's topic, exponents and power. So today's objective will be we will recall the concepts of exponents and terms. Okay, so negative integral exponents. What are negative integral exponents? We will study this use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form. We will solve some numericals, and also we will study law of exponents. So all these things we are going to study today. So yes, so how we read this the given term, how to read this, okay, so we can read this as 10 raised to power 2, or we can also read this as 10 to the power 2, okay, or 10 raised to 2. So this one, how to read this, 2 raised to the power 5 or 2 raised to 5. So this is how we read this. And what does 10 square or 10 to the power 2, 10 raised to power 2, what does it say? It says multiply by 10 2 times. So 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, so 2 raised to the power 5, what does it tell? So it says you multiply 2 with itself 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and 5 times. Yes. Okay, so this 10 to the power 2, so ये 10 जो नीचे लिखते हैं हम, this is called as base, and this which we are writing about 10, this is the power, this is called as exponent. So exponent represents the power. Yes, so and 2 raised to 5 or 2 to the power 5, so here 2 is the base and 5 is the exponent. Yes, so 10 raised to 2, 10 power 2, 10 is the base, 2 is the exponent. And see here, this is a positive power. If I don't specify any sign, so it is understood, it is positive, it is plus 2. So if I write minus 2, it is a negative power. So a raised to m, okay, where a is the base and m is the exponent, is a positive power. So in other words, a raised to m tells you what? It tells you to multiply a by itself m times. What does it says? A raised to m, where m is positive, it tells you to multiply itself m times. Yes, so just remember this. When the exponent is decreased by 1, the value becomes 1/10 the previous value. Okay, if you reduce the power by 1, so अगर 5 है उसको 4 कर दिया, so what happens is it reduces itself by 1/10. So 10 square is nothing but 10 times 10, which is 100. Now if you reduce the power by 1, so we need to divide it by 10. The value reduces by n 110. See here what is happening. 10 raised to 1 is nothing but 10, which is 100 by 10 is also 10. Again divide it by, again reduce the power by 10. What are you getting? We are getting 10 raised to 0. What is the value of 10 raised to 0? 10 raised to 0 value is 1. Okay, so how 10 raised to 0 value is 1, we will discuss very soon. Okay, so 10 by 10 is 1, and again if I reduce the value by the power by 1, so 0 minus 1, I'll get minus 1. So yes, 10 raised to minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 10, which is 0.01. So see here, what did we observe? If the power is reduced by 1, the value, previous value is reduced by 1/10. So this is what we observed. Yes. So powers with negative exponents. Okay, now 10 raised to 2, 10 power 2, a raised to m, where a is 10, which is the base value, and m value is positive, that is plus 2, okay, which is the power. So in this case, 10 raised to minus 2, okay, a raised to minus m. So a value is 10, and m, again m is 2 and minus m is minus 2 here. So a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m. अभी ये नया word है multiplicative inverse. What does this mean? I hope you have read this in your previous class. If you have not read this, multiplicative inverse, okay, you tell me any number, you multiply with a number such that the product will be equal to 1. For example, if I have 5, okay, I have 5, what should I multiply with 5 such that I'll get 1? I need to multiply it by 1 by 5, right? So 1 by 5 is called as multiplicative inverse of 5. So yes, the same thing. I have a raised to m. Okay, what should I multiply with a raised to m such that I'll get 1? I need to multiply by a raised to minus m. Okay, so so this product law, okay, you can use it. So a raised to m minus m, we get a raised to 0, which is 1. Yes, so a raised to minus m is the multiplicative inverse of a raised to m. Okay, so a raised to minus m can be written as 1 by a raised to m. Now multiply these two numbers, we get 1. Yes, so let's find the multiplicative inverse of the following number. So what is the multiplicative inverse of the following number? So 3 raised to minus 4 is nothing but, this can be written as 1 by 3 raised to 4. Now, with what number should I multiply so that I'll get 1? I need to multiply with 3 raised to 4. So, 3 raised to 4 is the multiplicative inverse of 3 raised to minus 4. And yes, 10 raised to 5 or 10 to the power 5 is the multiplicative inverse of 10 raised to minus 5. Yes. Now, if I expand this, what value I'll get? 3 raised to minus 4, how can it be written? It can be written like this. Okay, using the formula a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So 1 by 3 raised to 4. Okay, so 3 raised to 4 can be written as 1 by 3 raised to 4 can be written as 1 divided by 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. This is known as the expanded form. Similarly, 10 raised to minus 5 का भी देखो. How have we written it? 1 by 10 raised to 5, which is equal to 1 by 10 times multiplied 10 with itself 5 times. So this is called as the expanded form of this. So yes, could you express the number 2125 in expanded form using the exponents? Yes, we can. So देखो, how can we write this? This can be written as 2000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, now this is 2000, so this can be written as 2 into 1000, and 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. 10 raised to 3 is 1000. 100 can be written as 1 into 10 raised to 2. 20 is 2 into 10, so 2 into 10 to the power 1. And 5 can be written as 5 into 10 to the power 0. So this is how we write it in the expanded form using the exponents. Yes. So can you express 2125.56 in the expanded form using the exponents? Yes, we can. Okay. So while reading, a lot of students, I have seen a lot of students reading this as 2125.56. You read it as 0.56. It is the wrong way to read it. You need to read the letters individually after the decimal. So you need to read like this: 2125.5 and 6. I mean to say 5, 6. Like this you need to read. Yes. So how to write this in the expanded form? So this can be written as 2000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. Okay, plus 0.2 plus 0.5. Now using the exponents, it is written like this: 2000 can be written as 2 into 10 raised to 3. 100 can be written as 1 into 10 raised to 2. 20 can be written as 2 into 10 raised to 1. 5 into 10 power 0. Now what about this decimal? Okay, 0.5. So this can be written as 5 by 10. In terms of exponents, it can be written as 5 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power minus 2. This is how we write in the expanded form. Yes. Now expand the following numbers using the exponents. Chalo, let us expand this. How to write this? Okay. So yes, this can be written as 1000 plus 100 plus 0, okay, plus 5 plus 0.6 plus zero point 0.6, or you can write it as 6 by 10. Better we write it as 6 by 10 plus 0.03 or 3 by 100. Now write it using the exponents, means 1 into 10 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to 2 plus 0 into 10 raised to 1. 0 multiplied by any number is 0. Yes. Plus 5 into 10 raised to 0 plus 6 into, what should I write here? Can you comment in the chat, students? What should I write here? 6 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. This is the answer for the first one. Okay. So yes, what is the answer for the second one? So yes, the same thing. 1 into 10 raised to 3 plus 1 into 10 raised to 2, okay, plus 5 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0 plus 2 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 0 into 10 raised to minus 2. 0 into any number will give you 0 plus 9 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this is how we expand it, okay, using the exponents. This is how we write it. So these are the answers for these two questions. Yes. Now let us study the law of exponents. This is a very important concept which you need to learn. So there are three types of law of exponents. There are more types, but there are these three main laws of exponents. So first one is product law, second one is quotient law, third one is power law. Yes. So in class 7 we have already studied them. Yes, so let us revise this. So product law, what does product law says? While multiplying the powers having the same base, when we are multiplying powers having the same base, just add the exponents. For example, a raised to m into a raised to n will give you a raised to m plus n. Yes, we have studied this, right? Yes. And if we take example, see here, we have same base. If we have same base, then only we can use this. So yes, for example, 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4, that can be written as 2 raised to 3 plus 4, which is 2 raised to 7. Now, if I had like this, 3 raised to 4, okay, times 4 raised to 2. Can I add them and write something? No, I cannot use this product law here. Okay, so I cannot use this product law here. So yes, students, those are online seeing the stream, you can comment your name, say hi, hello in the chat. Yes, so quotient law, second law is the quotient law. While dividing the powers with the same base, just subtract the exponents. So yes, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay, you can write this, you can use this expression. If m is greater than n, what if m is less than n, what if n is greater, then you can use this. Okay, 1 by a raised to n minus m if m is greater. So here a, m, n are integers. Okay, so okay, and make sure like this will work only, okay, if they are integers. If a value is 0, okay, so 0 by 0, okay, it's indefinite, we can't use for that expression. Yes, so yes, I had asked you one question. I said I will tell you this afterwards. Now, how much is the answer for a raised to 0, a power 0? How much is the answer? You say answer is 1. And how is my question? So this can be answered using the quotient law. So yes, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. How much is the answer? A raised to m minus n. Now, what if the value of m is 3 and the value of n is also 3? M is 3, n is 3. So we get a raised to 3 and a raised to 3. Now same number by same number. Okay, how much is 5 by 5? 5 by 5 is 1. How much is 3 by 3? 3 by 3 is 1. How much is 7 by 7? Okay, a raised to 3 by a raised to 3. Same number by same number. 1 ही तो आएगा. Yes, and use the quotient law. A raised to 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3, how much is that? 3 minus 3 is 0. So a raised to 0 is 1. This is how we get the value. Okay. Let m can be 1 also. 1 minus 1 is 0. M and n can be any values. Okay. Same values ले लो तो 0 आएगा. So a raised to 0, a power 0 is 1. This is how we get the value. Okay. So this is called zeroth law. So we will study that after learning all these three laws. So yes, here are the examples. So 5 raised to 3 by 5 raised to 2 is nothing but 5 raised to 3 minus 2. How much is 5 raised to 3 minus 2? So subtract their exponents, that's all. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 5 power 1, which is nothing but 5. Now, if we had like this, if m is 2 and n is 5, so and the base is 5, so 5 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 5, how can we write this? N is greater here, so better you write 1 by 5 raised to 5 minus 2. The value is 1 by 5 raised to 3. सर इसको ऊपर लिख सकते हैं क्या? Yes, definitely we can write like this also. 5 raised to minus 3, this is also the answer. Okay, which means it is equal to 1 by 5 raised to 3. So this is how we can write this. Yes. Now product law. Okay, while solving the power of any power, just multiply the exponents. Okay, power of any power. So a raised to m raised to n. How can we write this? We can write this as a raised to m times n. ओके, सो डोंट कंफ्यूज, mn लिखे है मतलब अगर a रेस टू 3 रेस टू 4 रहेगा, so you can write a raised to 3 times 4, not 34. Okay, it means it is a raised to 3 into 4, which is a raised to 12. ओके, a रेस टू mn यहाँ पे लिखे है, ऐसा नहीं लिखना है a रेस टू 34. ओके, ये गलत होगा, इट इज प्रोडक्ट m times n. Yes, so this is the product law. So 2 raised to 2 raised to 3, this can be written as, okay, ये 3 नीचे लिख दिए है, sorry for that. Okay, you should write this here above. So 2 raised 2 times 3 is 6, so it will be 2 to the power 6. This is how you need to write. This is what ये power law है. So what all laws did we study? Okay, quotient law, power law, and yes, the other one is product law, quotient law, and power law. Yes, are there any other laws? Yes, there are. So we will study them after taking this example. देखो यहाँ पे what is the question asked? Yes, students, those are new to the stream, please comment your name, say hi, hello in the chat, so that we can have a better interaction, proper interaction. So Sneha wants to show gratitude towards her teacher, okay, by giving her a self-made card. Acha, Sneha wants to give a card to her teacher. Okay, she chooses a yellow colored rectangle sheet of a paper. The length of the sheet is 2 raised to 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 raised to 4 centimeter. Yes. Now what is the question asked? Find the area of the paper. She has to work on making the card. Okay, so length kitna hai? How much is the length? 2 raised to 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 raised to 4. देखो यहाँ पे, so there is a rectangular, okay, sheet with her. So the lengths are, what are the lengths? 2 raised to 5 centimeter and 2 raised to 4 centimeter. So area of a rectangle. What is the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is given by length times breadth. Length into breadth. Length kitna hai? How much is the value of length? It is 2 raised to 5. Okay. सेंटीमीटर, ओके, सेंटीमीटर में नहीं लिख रहा हूं पर याद रहना चाहिए, इट इज 2 raised to 5 centimeter times 2 raised to 4 centimeter. Now tell me how much is centimeters times centimeter? Centimeter into centimeter will be square centimeter. So cm square लिख सकते हैं. Even we can write SQCM, square centimeter or centimeter square. Now a raised to m into a raised to n, how much is that? It is a raised to m plus n. Okay, so 2 raised to 9 is the area of this rectangular sheet. So this is the answer, guys. 2 raised to 9 square centimeter is the answer. Yes, don't forget to write the units. I have seen a lot of students has like forget to write the units. If you forget to write this unit, you will lose 1 mark. Okay, if the teacher is generous, they may give you mark. Okay, but sometimes there is a possibility you may lose a mark, so don't forget to write the units, guys. So what value is dissipated by Sneha towards a teacher? Okay, it is love and affectionate. Yes, so power of quotient law. Now see here, divide the power with the same exponents having different bases. So a raised to n divided by b raised to n, powers are same, but the bases are different. And how can we write this? This can be written as a by b, okay, whole power n. Yes. Okay, yes, Harsh. Good morning. How are you today? Yes, please enjoy this class and learn something new. Okay, so example 2 to the power 2, 2 raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 2. So how this can be written, Harsh? How can we write this? This can be written as 2 by 3 whole power. Okay, this is how we can write this. This is the answer. Okay, if the bases are different and the powers are same, we can write this. Yes. Now there are other laws of exponents. So zeroth law hai. Okay, zero exponent law hai. So yes, we have already studied a raised to 0 is 1, where a is any integer. Okay, so 2 raised to 0 is 1, 99 raised to 0 is also 1. Okay, 365 raised to 0 is also 1. Any integer raised to 0 is a raised to, this is called as fraction exponent. So a raised to x by y, a to the power x by y. Okay, so this can be written as, कैसे पढ़ते हैं देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, so y root of a raised to x. How do we read this? Y root of a raised to x. Now Harsh, if it is like this, okay, Harsh has introduced himself. Harsh bola hai. What about the other two students who are online? Can you tell me your names so that we can have a proper communication, guys? So 5 raised to 2 by 3. How can we write it? It is difficult to chat. So yes, how to read this? Cube root of, okay, or yes, this is read as cube root of 5 square. Okay, this is the answer for this. This is how we can write this. Yes. So expressing the following standard form. This is very important for you all, guys. This you will study very soon in your upcoming classes. So 0.000035. How to express this in the standard form? Okay. Now move the decimal towards the 3 and count the number of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. After fifth place, we are writing the decimal. So after 3, okay, after the fifth place, we are writing the decimal. So you should write it as 10 raised to minus 5. Now what does this imply? What does this imply? This implies the answer is 1 by, so this implies the answer is 3.5 divided by 10 raised to 5. Now divide करो, यही आंसर आएगा. Okay, so what we have done here, we have expressed this number in the standard form. Now I want you guys to answer in the chat next. Will you answer the next question? Okay, if it is the same type question, I want you to answer in the chat. So we have learned that laws of exponents for positive exponents. Does the law holds good for the exponents with the negative powers? Okay, let us explore this and see. So yes, negative integral exponents. So let us solve a problem based on the product law for given negative exponents. Okay, 10 raised to minus 5 and 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, now see here. This can be written as 10 raised to minus 5 can be written as what? 1 divided by 10 raised to 5, and 10 raised to minus 3 can be written as 1 divided by 10 raised to 3. Okay, using this formula, we have written like this. Now 10 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, first convert them, first write them like this, and now you can use this. So 1 by a raised to m into a raised to n can be written as 1 by a raised to m plus 1, which is 1 by 10 raised to 8. And now if you want to write it in the numerator, this can be written as 10 raised to minus 8, guys. Yes, this is how we can write. Okay, starting में ऐसा मत करो sir, let us use like this. Yes, 10 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 3. Yes, the bases are same. So minus 5 into minus 3. So minus 5 into minus 5. Okay, not into, you will get plus. So minus 5 plus minus 3. So which is again 10 raised to minus 5 minus 3, which is 10 raised to minus 8. It is the same thing. तो लिख सकते हैं ऐसा भी. Yes. So what does the product law say? Product law says a raised to m, for those who are new, okay, A raised to m into a raised to n can be written as a raised to m plus n. This is how we can write it. Okay? Yes. And it holds good for the negative power also. Okay. Minus 2 raised to minus 4 and minus 2 raised to minus 3. So yes, this can be written as what? This can be written as 1 by. Okay, minus, let the minus be above only. So minus. Hmm, hmm, hmm. Okay. We can't write like this. So 1 by minus 2 raised to 4 times 1 by minus 2 raised to 3. This can be written as 1 by minus 2 times 4 plus 3. It is 1 by minus 2 times 7. This implies this is nothing but minus 2 raised to minus 7. This is how we solve it. Okay, so the power of 2 is negative, so we will get an answer in negative. So we need to multiply 2 by itself 7 times. So 1 divided by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 ऐसे कितने बार 7 minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 कितने बार 7 times. Okay, so we have an odd power, we will get the answer in negative. So yes, minus 2 raised to minus 7. This is how we write the answer. This is the answer. Guys, can you try this? Can you try to comment? If you can solve this, comment in the chat. Find the product of minus 3 raised to minus 4 and minus 3 raised to 3. Now, minus 3, this can be written as 1 divided by minus 3 raised to 4 times minus 3 raised to 3. This is nothing but a raised to m divided by a raised to n, where n is greater than m, right? So this can be written as 1 by a raised to n minus m. N minus m. N is 4, m is 3. So 1 by minus 3 raised to minus 1. Sorry, 3 raised to 1, because 4 minus 3 is 1, and this also can be written as minus 3 raised to minus 1. This is the answer for this. Yes. Okay. Yes, we have used the right law, we have used the quotient law. Yes, express this as a power with the base 3. Okay, so what do we have here? What do we have? We have 9 raised to minus 2. We need to express in terms of base 3. तो इसको लिख दो ऐसा 9 raised to 2. Now how 9 can be written? 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 times 3 is 9, right? So 3 square whole square. So we have studied the power law. A raised to m raised to n is nothing but a raised to m and m into n. So 2 times 2 is 4. This can be written as 3 raised to 4. So the answer is 1 divided by 3 raised to 4 or 3 raised to minus 4. ऊपर लिखना है तो ऐसा लिखना है. This is the answer for this. Yes. Okay, 3 raised to minus 4. This is our answer. Yes. Evaluate 3 times 3 raised to 4 times 3 raised to 5. Yes, solve this students. I want you to solve. बहुत जन ऑनलाइन आ गए हैं. थोड़ा हाय हेलो बोलो. पहचान बढ़ाओ सबके साथ. Yes, use. I will give you a hint. Use a raised to m times a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n. Use this law. Okay, use the product law and tell me the answer. How much will be the answer, students? Harsh, are you there? If you are there, tell me the answer. Yes. So a raised to m raised to n, using this formula, we have 3 raised to 4 plus 5. Yes, Shivam, Are you there? Can you answer this? How much is this? 3 raised to 4 plus 5. 3 raised to 4 plus 5 is nothing but 3 raised to 9. Yes, Harsh, if you're there, okay, try to answer them. Okay, I have answered this already. अभी next question तुम लोग को answer करना है. Ready, guys? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, 5 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 2. Yes, I want Shivam and Harsh and others also to answer. ओके सो 5 रेस टू लिखना मुश्किल है चैट में मुझे पता है तो तुम कुछ सिंबल यूज कर सकते हो यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस 5 r okay like for example 5 r 100 I will understand it as 5 raised to 100 5 r 100 5 raised to 100 I will read like this so type the answer in the chat how much will be the answer for this so yes हर्ष ने आंसर किया है okay so that was for the previous one. I want the answer for this, Harsh. So yes. So 5 to the power 4 plus 2. This is 5 to the power 6 or 5 raised to 6. That is the right answer, Harsh. Very good. Yes. 2 raised to 13 by 2 raised to 6. What will be the answer for this? Okay, use the formula, use the quotient law. A raised to m divided by a raised to n where m is greater than n. This can be written as a raised to m minus n. So 13 minus 6. How much will be the answer? It will be 7. So what will be the final answer? Yes. Give the answer for this. Give the answer for this. So this will be 2 raised to 13 minus 6. Okay, a क्यों लिखा मैंने? I need to write 2. So 2 times 7. 2 raised to 7, not 2 times 7. 2 raised to 7. 2r7. Okay, this is only you need to write like this in the keyboard. यहाँ पे chat में. Not in your school, not in the exam. Yes, this is the answer, guys. Evaluate this. 2 raised to 13 minus 2 raised to 6. Here, m is 13, n is minus 6. So m is greater. So we can write this a raised to m minus n. So a यहाँ पे 2 है, m 13 है, minus n. How much is the value of n? Minus 6 है. So minus 6. So minus of minus is plus. So 2 times 13 plus 6 is nothing but 2 times 19. 2 times 19 is the answer for this. Yes, 2 times 19 देखो यहाँ पे. This is the right answer, guys. Okay. Next. 3 raised to 3 raised to 4. Using the third law. Okay. So a raised to m raised to n is nothing but a raised to m times n. So using this formula, this will become 3 raised to 3 into 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So the answer is 3 raised to 12, guys. This is the answer. I hope you are understanding it. If you are having any doubts, okay, तो बोल दो सर ये डाउट है मुझे समझ में नहीं आया है. We will stop. I will explain you again. So 3 raised to 12, 3 to the power 12. This is the answer. So evaluate this minus 3 raised to minus 4. क्या करना है इसको? Like it is in the simplest form. Okay. So क्या कर सकते हैं इसको क्या कर सकते हैं? ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. So using the formula a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. This can be written as नीचे लिखते हैं 1 by minus 3 raised to 4. This in turn can be written as 1 by minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So you will get the answer in positive. Okay, so this is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 4. ये एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप है, ये लिख सकते हैं, ये नहीं भी लिख सकते, यहां भी स्टॉप कर सकते हो. ओके, सो लेट अस चेक टिल वेयर दे हैव रिटन. ओके, तो उन लोग ने पूरा लिख दिया है. सो यस, लेट अस राइट द आंसर कंप्लीटली. सो 1 by 3 raised to 4. Okay, so yes, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 27 times 3 is 81. So 1 by 81 is the answer for this. Okay, so evaluate this. 2 raised to minus 4 and 3 raised to minus 4. Okay, 2 by 3 raised to minus 4. So this can be written as 2 raised to minus 4 and 3 raised to minus 4. Using the formula a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So 2 raised to minus 4, this can be written as 1 by 2 raised to 4, and 3 raised to minus 4 नीचे है, डिनोमिनेटर पे है, तो 1 by 3 raised to minus 4 हो गया 1 by 3 raised to 4. Again that it will go to the numerator, so this will become 3 raised to 4. This is nothing but 3 by 2 raised to 4 ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. And if you want to expand it, so this is nothing but 3 raised to 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 कितना है? 3 3 जा 9, 9 3 जा 27, 27 3 times is 81. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. 81 by 16, can we simplify it? नहीं कर सकते. So this is the final answer. 81 by 16 is the final answer, guys. Yes. Okay, find the value of x. This. So this is somewhat like a linear equation in one variable where the variable is x. So इसका value हमें निकालना है, guys. So 3 raised to 3x minus 1. How can I write this? I can write this like this. 3 raised to 3x divided by 3 and divided by 9. Okay, is equal to 27. Now देखो divide by 9 है. So how can I write this? Yes, can I write like this? Yes, I can. And देखो यहाँ पे is equal to 27. Now take this side. So what we will get? We will get 3 raised to 3x is equal to 27 times 27. Okay, so let me make some space here. 3 raised to 3x is equal to 27 times 27. 27, 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. It is 3 raised to 3. Again 27 is 3 raised to 3. A raised to m into n कितना है भाई? A raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus 1. So 3 to the power 3x is equal to 3 raised to 6. Base same है, power भी same है. So we can write 3x is equal to 6. How much is the value of x? X is 6 by 3, which is 2. So the value of x is how much? The value of x is 2. Yes, x is 2. This is the right answer. Yes, use of exponents, okay, to express small numbers in standard form. Weight of moon. Bapre, weight of moon. How do they measure weight of moon? Anyone good in physics? Okay, anyone good in physics can use this, can know, like surely know how to find the weight of planets. So G is some कुछ तो है वो formula. I am not recalling it now. So G times m1 into m2 by r square, where m1 is mass of Earth, mass of Moon. ऐसा कुछ तो है guys. Okay, that is how we find the mass of all the planets. ऐसा कुछ तो है. So yes, ask your physics teacher this question. How to find the weight of planets, weight of moon and all. Okay, they will tell you better answer. So yes, the weight of moon is, देखो यहाँ पे 735 so many 0 kg. ये बोलते 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 रात हो जाएगी, right? 735 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and so many zeros. So it is tough to pronounce this. So how can we answer this? So this can be written as in the standard form. So yes. So count the number of digits in the reverse way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So this can be written as 7.35 into 10 raised to 22 kilograms. Yes, again, don't forget to write the units. Okay, students always tend to forget units. You lose marks here. So this is how we write in the standard form. ये बोलना very easy है. To tell this, it is very easy. 7.35 10 raised to 22 kilograms. This is very easy to read than this, right? Yes. So weight of a single hydrogen atom, 0 point so many zeros and 16605 dash 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 kgs. So this can be written as, okay, again from this point you are shifting the decimal after 1. So count the number of digits till 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. After 27 numbers, we are shifting the decimal. So the answer is 1.66 into 10 raised to minus 27 kgs. Sir, आगे के numbers, why didn't you write? It's okay, we are writing an approximate number. Yes, the value is very negligible. It can be skipped. Okay, so 0.000 यही कितना कम है. Okay, तो थोड़ा लास्ट का छोड़ दिया तो क्या ही होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. Express this in the usual form. So 3.52 into 10 raised to 5. देखो यहाँ पे. So yes. Okay, this can be written as, I can write as much zeros as I want. कितना चाहिए उतना zeros लिख सकता हूँ. Because after decimal, after some number, 0 is not having any value. Okay, into 10 raised to 5. So shift the decimal, we are multiplying, shift the decimal towards the right side. After 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So यहाँ पे point आ जाएगा. So the answer is 352 000. सर अगर मैं ऐसा लिखूंगा तो चलेगा? चलेगा. सर 2-3 zeros लिखूंगा तो चलेगा. Okay, but this is not the proper way of writing. This is not a good practice. The good practice is writing 352 000. This is the right answer. Okay, this is a good practice of writing the number like this. This is the answer for this. Okay, comparing very large number and very small number. Suppose if we have to compare the size of RBC, red blood cell, that is point itna 7 meters, and that of the plant cell, then how will you proceed? Okay, तो देखो यहाँ पे like write in the standard form first. So this can be written as 7 into 10 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. And what about this? This can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 1.275 into 10 raised to minus 5. So yes, which one is greater? See the powers. Let us make both the powers equal. So 7 into 10 raised to minus 6. And if I want to write this, so 12.75 into 10 raised to minus 6. Now The 10 powers are same now. Compare the numbers. Which number is greater? This number is greater. So obviously this is the greater. This is how we solve. Yes. Okay. So approximately it is half bol rahe, but I have shown you another way how to compare them, how to do it. So yes, so that's all for today. Let us study some fun facts. So Michael, okay, so he is a German mathematician. He introduced the term exponent. Okay, so Michael was the person who introduced the term exponent. His work with exponent only included numbers that had a base of 2. He also used negative exponents. Therefore, he discovered the geometric sequence. Okay, geometric progression, geometric sequence 1 by 8, 1 by 4 minus 2, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so this was discovered by him. So question of the day: discuss and explain different applications of exponents in real life. Okay, so real life में कहाँ use करते हैं? Lot of big objects. Okay, measuring their size, weight, will get big numbers. So to make it ease of pronouncing, we can use exponents. Even the smallest microbial objects, sorry, living beings, okay, so whose size is very less, like 0.0000357 ऐसा है, so that also is used. Okay, exponents are used for them. Yes, so what have we learned today? So क्या क्या सीखे हैं हम आज? Learned all these things. The main thing, we studied law of exponents. Okay, so that's all for today. So this is a homework for you guys. Okay, so यहाँ पे पॉज करके स्क्रीनशॉट लेके, ओके, ये सॉल्व करो अपने होमवर्क में. Try to solve them. If you don't know the answers, okay, ask me in the next class, we will discuss them. Yes. So that's all for today then. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you. And students, those who have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Okay, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Okay, jaldi Shashank sir, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay, कि ICSE syllabus maths के topics सिखाने वाले हैं. So you can chat like which standard you are studying, कौन सा standard का लेना है, any special topic. Okay, I will take that in the next class. Okay, so yes, we will stop here.